Okay, so the TopStitch tool sometimes can be kind of tricky to see. I'm going to go ahead and click it. I'll put some on the sides, around the edges, and I'll hit spacebar, and we of course don't see anything. I'm going to click the TopStitch. I do notice the color is none, so maybe I change that. Apply and close. And then when I unrender, now we see it, but when I render, we don't. So if I click up here, render, let's see here. Sometimes if you click the quality one, you should be able to see it. In my case, I'm still not, but sometimes that you can. But if I actually go to render, this is what it would look like. Let's see here. Oh, let me hit interactive. There we go. So it is here if we were to render it, but yes, it doesn't always show when we do, I have to turn that off. It doesn't show in our 3D window sometimes, but it is there. So I know that's a little frustrating. So give that a shot, see if you can see it at least in the render window, because then you know it is for sure there. It's just not, probably just to keep the speed of your computer going, it doesn't always show in the 3D window.